Hello and welcome to this new lesson. This time we are going to do the inking for our characters, and later on we'll color them. Create a new layer and lower the opacity of the sketch layer so that it doesn't disturb us so much when inking. To do the inking, I'll use the same brush as before. I think that this is a good time to talk about the color palette again for this project. First, open the Adobe Color Themes panel and type, for example, cute. You'll see a lot of results created by users. The color palette we need should contain pastel colors. I see that this is a bit subjective, because there are some palettes that, in my opinion, don't suit the cute idea. In any case, it's just a matter of browsing. This one over here looks interesting. I think these colors will be fine for our project. So let's click on the ellipses. Sorry, I lost sight of the palette. Well, this one is fine too, so click on Add to Swatches. Alright, so we have these colors in our swatches panels, ready to be used. Let's begin sketching. We have the black color selected. Oh, don't forget to create a new layer if you didn't do it before. Grab this brush and begin. Use the layer as a clipping mask to avoid painting outside the edges. So, we have the brush and the palette. One more thing. If you are using a graphics tablet, I suggest that you do some warming up because working with a graphics tablet is a bit harder. I often adjust this option, the smoothing. It smooths out the strokes, as its name suggests. I tend to use a value of 20%. Try to draw clear and soft lines. If you need so, give it several tries. I like to move my wrist a lot when tracing to get these clean curves. This is a very simple technique for inking, nothing complicated. This is the eye. And this is the mouth. I'm only missing the horns, so let's do them. These lines will be the details. I need to erase this part of the hair because the horn will be covering that. And it's done. Did you see how easy this is? You just need to carefully trace over the lines of the sketch. Try to achieve a clean result and keep within the style you have chosen. As for myself, I clean the lines every now and then, and I'm trying to remain faithful to the sketch. Regarding the symmetry for signs like Gemini, you can turn that option on, but be careful not to go over other signs. And please remember to turn it off again afterwards. You don't know how many times we designers have made this mistake by accident. It doesn't automatically turn off, so you might be drawing on two different places of the artboard at the same time without noticing it. I think there isn't anything difficult in this case. However, we'll get the richness with the use of our color palette, so don't worry too much. The rest of this video is me inking a couple more signs, so you can keep watching if you want to see how I did them. See you in the next lesson.